So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
We are asked to find a degree 3 polynomial function having zeros or roots of -2, 4, and -6, and the coefficient of x cubed equals 1. When we are given the roots or zeros of a polynomial function, we are also given binomial factors of the polynomial function. Looking at the notes below, if a polynomial function has zeros or roots of r sub 1, r sub 2, r sub 3, and so on, then the polynomial function can be written in the form as shown here, where a is a constant, and notice how each binomial factor is in the form of x minus the root, or x minus the 0. So because we have a degree 3 polynomial function, we will have 3 binomial factors, and therefore a possible function will be in the form of f of x equals a times the quantity x minus r sub 1 times the quantity x minus r sub 2 times the quantity x minus r sub 3, where again r sub 1, r sub 2, and r sub 3 are the given roots or zeros. So let's let r sub 1 equal -2, r sub 2 equal 4, and r sub 3 equal -6. And because the coefficient of x cubed is equal to 1, we also know a is equal to 1. Which means a polynomial function that satisfies the given conditions will be f of x equals 1 times the quantity x minus -2 times the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x minus -6. And now let's simplify the right side. We have f of x equals, multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything, x minus -2 simplifies to x plus 2. Then we have x minus 4, and x minus -6 simplifies to x plus 6. So this is the factored form of a polynomial function that satisfies the given conditions. This is the factored form of the polynomial function. Let's also multiply the right side out and give the polynomial function an expanded form. Let's multiply this out on the right side. We have the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 6. To determine the product, let's multiply the first two binomials. When multiplying the first two binomials, we have 4 products. We distribute each term in the first binomial into the second binomial, which means the first two products will be these two products here. X times x is x squared. X times -4 gives us minus 4x. And then we distribute the 2. 2 times x gives us plus 2x. And 2 times -4 gives us minus 8. All this is still multiplied by x plus 6. But let's simplify here. -4x plus 2x is -2x, giving us the quantity x squared minus 2x minus 8 times the quantity x plus 6. And now we multiply the trinomial and the binomial by distributing each term of the trinomial into the binomial, which will give us 6 products. So we first distribute the x squared, giving us 2 products. X squared times x is equal to x cubed. X squared times 6 gives us plus 6x squared. And now we distribute -2x. -2x times x gives us minus 2x squared. -2x times 6 gives us minus 12x. And now we distribute the -8. -8 times x gives us minus 8x. And -8 times positive 6 gives us minus 48. Last step is to combine like terms. Notice we have 2 x squared terms and 2 x terms. So simplifying, we have x cubed. 6x squared minus 2x squared is 4x squared, giving us plus 4x squared. -12x minus 8x is -20x, giving us minus 20x. And then we still have minus 48. So the same polynomial function in expanded form is f of x equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 20x minus 48. I hope you found this helpful.